Hello!
Welcome to another episode of Too Hot to Handle Spain.
What?
I think I'll list all the Netflix shows one by one.
So, let's talk for today.
Let's talk about clubbing.
Yes, clubbing
Let's talk
in
about
New York City.
clubbing in New York City.
So,
Before that, as usual, this video is in association with Burger or Chai, with Crate Burgers and Nashville Style Burgers from US. Go try it out in Mumbai and Nagpur, coming at a city location near you. If you're interested in becoming partners, reach out to us. If you're interested in opening franchises, we have everything ready, both from online, offline, kiosk, sit-down model, to various kinds of royalties, advertising discussions. You can contact us. We're building for the future. All right, let's go. Clubbing.
so clubbing in the New York City.
Exactly. It's definitely fun. There's a lot of opportunities. हर type के clubs मिल जाएंगे. Whatever you're into, there's
And
of course
whatever
there's
your-
clubs for straight
and
people.
whatever your this
whatever their
is.
budget is, exactly. You'll find. Well, it's actually bars and clubs combined. You'll find the premium ones like the ones from Tao Group, like Lavo, Tao Downtown, Tao Midtown.
And I think
Marquee and
न्यूयॉर्क में
stuff.
ऐसा
There's-
बहुत सारे क्लब्स हैं जो तुम्हारे मॉर्निंग एंड आफ्टरनून एंड नाइट टाइम में तुम्हारा रेस्टोरेंट रहता है एंड देन
नाइट टाइम में भी रेस्टोरेंट रहता है तो फिर क्लब कब बनता है?
I mean,
शी मींस इट नॉट मॉर्निंग टाइम. A lot of places
after 10 11 it's like it's they
becomes a club
Yes.
ish thing, but that's true for that's the case for a lot of places across the world, but in New York City it's definitely like मज़ा आता है. Definitely remember, if you're going in as a student, हमने तो बहुत मज़े करे थे. So you pre-game, you have fun. Most
And
of the clubs
बहुत सारे
open at
types
11
के-
in the
बहुत सारे
night,
types
but it
के-
gets busy after 12. I have
and
clubbed as a single person and I've been to clubbing as a married person. Both have their own share of fun. Exactly.
and बहुत सारे टाइप के रहेंगे वहाँ पे क्लब्स एंड
Club for straight people, club for gay people, club for various kinds of things going on.
एंड सबके लिए सब चीजें बनी हुई है तो दैट्स रियली
Whatever you're into, होते रहती है
Yes.
चीजें वहाँ पे.
So-
A lot of
so
clubs have
तुम्हारा favorite
specialized
club कौन सा
DJs
था?
and stuff coming up as well.
तुम्हारा
I don't
favorite
have
club?
one favorite. I liked a lot of places, but I love going to Marquee and Lavo when you wanted to have sort of a higher end night and good DJs like Cash Cash or Tiesto, and Tiesto is good. Cash Cash is good. But yeah, famous ones would come. There are also like just clubs जहाँ पे lesser known DJs and stuff came, but the environment is different. Stuff जिसको समझना है stuff समझ जाओ stuff.
दैट्स टफ क्लब
Stuff भी आ जाते हैं तो
दैट्स आल्सो माय फेवरेट वन द स्टफ क्लब
I want my refund. Doesn't matter. So yeah, just pre-game go. Usually it gets warm around 11. Opens at 11. It gets warm around 12:30.
And
One thing that I
close-
don't like, I think that's everywhere, is stag entry, right? तो कभी कभी लड़कियों को फ्री एंट्री मिल जाती है, लड़कों को नहीं मिलती है. इफ़ यू गो इन अ ग्रुप ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन आई वाज सिंगल, कभी कभी 2-3 दोस्तों के साथ चले गए तो रोक देते थे, नहीं पैसे दो, there's a cover charge and things like that, so those kind of things happen. And look, अभी honestly candidly हम तो सब बोलते हैं, so entertainment के लिए बहुत सारे क्लब्स तो लड़कियाँ stack up करते हैं, like they'll bring these hot girls,
हॉट चिक्स
hot chicks, and then so that the guys walk in. That's the business model, right? Like लड़की आएगी तो लड़के आएंगे पीछे पीछे. ऐसी लड़कियों को मत
And,
पिलाना ज़्यादा,
and
कुछ
ये
नहीं होने
चीज़-
वाला. आई एम टेलिंग यू, अपनी वाइफ के सामने बोल रहा हूँ, कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला. मत पिलाओ ऐसी लड़कियों को. वो प्लांटेड होती है बाय द क्लब, सो यू विल गो, यू विल थिंक ओह लड़की आई है, चलो 2 ड्रिंक पिला देता हूँ. लड़की तो 2 ड्रिंक पी ले रही है, क्लब के 2 ड्रिंक के पैसे बन जा रहे, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं मिल रहा. सो जस्ट बी केयरफुल एज अ गाय कि क्या है नहीं है.
बट डेफिनेटली मार्की काफी अच्छा है.
It's fun. Environment is fun for the,
yes,
for the
environment
purposes
is
of fun.
Music,
dancing,
music is
DJ.
loud. Like
तो
music
अच्छा
was
लगता है.
loud and
Loud as
loud.
in DJ. जो
It's
वो होता है.
like
It's an actual
the vibing,
experience.
the
The
vibing
vibe is,
experience. Yes.
We'll talk about Las Vegas and Miami and stuff in some other video, but today it's about New York.
एंड आई थिंक जब तुम मतलब क्लब में एंटर करते हो वहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें बनी हुई है, तुम्हें बड़े बड़े ऐसे जंबो वाले लोग दिखेंगे, आई मीन बॉडी गार्ड्स जंबो वाले लोग.
जंबो किंग की आदत लगी है मुंबई में. बर्गर किंग, जंबो किंग, जो भी यार ना. जंबो किंग है कि जंबो बर्गर है? जंबो किंग. हाँ.
यस, तो वो तुम्हें स्टैम्प लगा के अंदर जाने देंगे. एंड देन अंदर जाने के बाद थोड़ा सा खुद को वार्म अप कर लो ड्रिंक से या फिर लोगों से या आग सेक के.
आग सेक के.
आग सेक के.
ठीक है, enough. We'll go into some more details about clubbing later on. But till then, this episode is sponsored by BOC Burger or Chai. Go visit our outlets in Sion and Nagpur. Till the next time.